Good morning.
Okay, today we are going to study enlargement. Now, what does it mean, enlargement? Increasing or reducing the size of the object. Now, let's draw an object here. Okay, let's say this is our object. Now, we are going to see this one. Now, here, I am going to do it over the screen directly. Now, this is the enlargement. Okay, here what I am going to do, I am increasing the size of the object. Now, here, what I am going to do, I am reducing the size of the object. Now, this is called enlargement. Now, here, do you see here transform? I open the transform. After that, increase object size, decrease object size, and original size. Now, let's find the first original size. It's this one. Okay, let's go. Increase object size. As you see, I increase the object size. Now, go back. Original size. Okay, let's go. Transform and decrease object size. Now, the object size is decreased. I can keep this one, decrease object size again, and you see, object size is decreasing here. Now, this is called enlargement. Now, here the thing comes after this one, things comes here. Increasing or reducing the size of the object is called scale factor. Now, here the scale factor can be any number, any decimal number, or any whole number. For example, you can double the size. Okay, you can double the size. Let's draw another shape. Now I am going to draw this shape and we can double the size. Okay, it means we are going to doubling the size of the size. Or we can reduce it. We can reduce it. Now here what we did, we multiplied the shape, for example, half and 0.5. With 0.5, I multiplied it. Now, the sides here, the size of the triangle, the length of the size of the triangle will be less here. Now, here, the scale factor can be double, triple, anything, or half, and can be any decimal number. Can be 0.5 a scale factor, yani it means half it, can be doubling, can be tripling. Now this means the side of the shapes, length, we are going to multiply or divide or to do something. Now let's say I have here a triangle. This one. With this one. Let's say this one is, this side is 3 centimeter. Let's say this one is 5 centimeter. And this one is 6 centimeter. Now, if the scale factor is here doubling, yani multiplying by 2, this side will be, new side will be, this will be
12
centimeter, yes. This will be at that time 6 centimeters, sorry, 10 centimeter. Okay, this side will be at that time 6 centimeter. Now, here the scale factor is what? Scale factor is 2. Or scale factor can be 0.5. Scale factor can be 0.5. What we are going to do at that time? Okay, this will be 3 at that time. This side will be 2.5 and this side will be 1.5. Now the scale factor works in this way. Now here what we need to recognize it, here we recognize the things. The shape remains the same. Shape is not changing. The angles remains the same. The angles not changing. The length of the size of the image multiplied by scale factor. What is changing? The size length changing with respect to scale factor. Now here we can say the shape and the image, the shape and the image are similar but not congruent. Okay, here the shape and the image are similar but not congruent. Yani they look like each other, but their size are different. Now here, to completely define an enlargement, we need to know the scale factor. Okay, let's go. Let's try to make a little bit better our lesson. To completely define an enlargement, you need to know the scale factor. Now, absolutely, what we need to know? We need to know the scale factor. After that, we need to know center of enlargement. Center of enlargement. Now here, if we are going to draw another shape, let's say I draw this one, and here, what we need to, absolutely, we need to know the scale factor and center of enlargement. Now, center, do you see here on the right bottom, from where I am doing the enlargement, there is a center of the enlargement. There is a center of enlargement here. Now, do you see there is a center of enlargement here? Center of enlargement here. Now let's go, let's solve an example, this one.
But what is the center of?
What?
What is the center of enlargement? I didn't get.
Now it's you are going to make the enlargement with respect one point. Now I am going to show it. Let's draw a figure here now. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, let's go up and this one. Now here, what we want to enlarge this one. Now how we are going to enlarge this one? We can make it in this form. Here we are going to decide, okay, this point 0, 0 is center of the enlargement. With this center, we are going to make our image shape enlarge. Now here, let's go. This is ABC points. These are ABC points. A, B, C, D points, let's say. Now I am going to make enlargement with respect to 0.0, and let's say here will be A bar. Now this will be B bar. Okay. Now this will be C bar, and this will be D bar. Now let's sketch the points. Now here, as you see, now I enlarged. Sorry, 1, 2. Okay, now I did mistake. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It must be, yes. Okay, let's me 4. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay. Now A bar will be, sorry, B bar will be here. C bar will be here. And D, it will be here. Now let me sketch the points now. Sorry, it will be enlargement. We are going to enlarge it. Oh, I did mistake.
It should be bigger, right?
Yes, it should be bigger. Okay, let's do another figure. We can use the same one. Now, here the center, point of the center, let's say enlargement is doubling. Enlargement is doubling is, okay, let's say enlargement is doubling. Now, what will be the new shape? Doubling this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 unit. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now this side will be up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left side, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this will be this one. Sorry about the drawing, sorry. A, B, C, and this is D. Now this will be A bar, this will be B bar, and this will be C bar, and this will be D bar. Now this is, we did the enlargement. Okay, enlargement is scale is 2, and the origin, enlargement of the origin is center is here. Now with respect to this one, we did our enlargement. Now as you see here, the things, now let's say, I am going to draw from here to there. Now this is why it's coming, and the enlargement center is 0, 0. That's why A and A bar, they come on a line. That's why they came on a line. And the others also comes on a line from respect to center. Now it will be like this one, the other from here. Now, do you see? The D touches to D bar and C touches to the C bar with respect to center of the enlargement. Now, it will be in this form. Now, let's solve an example about this one, how it's going to work with the numbers. Our example is this one. Find the image, A bar, B bar, C bar of this triangle with the points A, 2 and 1, B, 2 and 3, C and 1 and 1, and of scale factor 2 with center of enlargement. With the center of enlargement. Now it will be this one, center of the enlargement 0.0, O will be 0.0. 0.0. This is the center of enlargement. Now, let's find our shape A2 and 1. X2, Y1 will be this point. B2, X, okay. 2 and 3. X2, okay. A2 and 1, X2, Y1. B, X2, Y3, X2, Y3 will be this point. The other one, 1 and 1. It will be this point. Let's join them. Now this one with this one. This one with this one. And this one with this one. This is our triangle. Now what we are going to do, we are going to enlarge it with the scale factor 2. Now, what we need to do here? Here we need to do this one. Okay. Here we have A point, is it true? A point, we have 2 and 1. We need to write this one, A point, in new form. 2 multiplied by 2 and 1 multiplied by
4, 2.
our new point will be what? Our new point
4,
will
2.
be A
4, 2.
4 and 2. Now x4 y2. It will be x4 y2, x4 y2 will be this point. I replace it here. Now let's go for B. 2 and 3. What we need to do?
It will be
B.
4.6. 4 and 6.
Okay, 4. I am going to write direct as you said 4 and 6. Okay, 4 and 3. X4, Y6. X4, Y6, 5, 6. It will be this point. Now the other one, C point. 1 and
2
1.
and 2.
2 and 2.
2 and 2 it will be.
2, 2.
2 and 2 will be. Now 2 and 2 is here. It will be this point. Now I am going to sketch the points. Okay. Let me change the color. Let's make it red one. Now here the new triangle is, let's say, this is the B bar, this is the A bar, and this is the C bar. Oh, C bar. Now this will be A, this will be B triangle, ABC triangle will be this one. Now with this one, I enlarge it and I doubled it. Now, as you see, the triangles, they are similar, but they are not congruent because their size are different. Now, with this one, today we finish our lesson, the exercises. You have two exercises today. One of them is not too big, too large, too much. Okay, 15 or 15D. The other one is 15E.
Okay.
15E. Sorry. Let me write it, the E here. Now, do you have any question?
No.
No.
I think
No.
it's easy, understandable. If you are going to solve the
Yeah, it's easy.
exercises, you will understand better. Then see you tomorrow, inshallah.
See you. Goodbye.